Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top stocks under $30 that could be worth over $100 per share. Understand all of these stocks have a very high risk, high reward. They're 100% speculative, they're not growth, they're very risky. And yes, I do think before you guys invest, have a nice solid base of ETFs and or bonds. These are going to act as your defense when you have some risky stocks like this, because if, let's say, these stocks get slammed, you don't want to lose all your money. So put some money in some bonds or some ETFs that just track the market. So now let's jump into it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, please repay me with a huge like. I hope you guys enjoy it. Understand there's risk with these stocks. Roll the intro. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here that could be worth over $100 per share is Norwegian Cruise. I think with COVID going on and this overall recession, people aren't traveling. This stock definitely has a ton of long-term potential. I understand most of these companies are taking on extremely large amounts of debt, but we're looking a couple of years in the future. And yeah, I do think it's going to take some time to recover, especially a stock like this, but understand that there's still long-term potential with this one. Of course, once people feel comfortable traveling around, once people feel comfortable going back on cruises, this stock's going to go up. This stock's going to definitely come back up to at least $40, $50. Add another couple years on where they can pay off that debt. This company could easily hit over $100 per share. Now, number two is NIO, also known as NIO. This stock's trading at $13.10 right now. This is a Japanese and Chinese electric car manufacturer, and they're going to be one of the largest competitors with Tesla overseas. So definitely same thing with this one, a ton of long-term potential. Definitely pretty heavily traded here, trading in the millions. This stock definitely squeezed up, was trading at around $3, hit highs at $16.40, sold off, and is now forming that V pattern and is coming back up to this high. So I'm super excited to see what happens with it. Still a ton of long-term potential. I do think taking a little bit of your position, a little bit of your money, and then investing into something like this. Number three here, we have Nova. Not the superhero Nova, but this is a solar panel company that has a beautiful, guys, absolute beautiful upward trend. Really did not get hit really that major by this whole recession we were in. Yeah, the stock did fall, but immediately got bought back up and is hitting highs. Broke through that resistance like it wasn't even there and is squeezing up. We had some major sell-off here, 13% fall. Definitely think that could be an opportunity for you guys to get into this stock at a pretty affordable rate. Now, number four, we have Plug Power. This stock has just been exploding up. The reason why is because they've been releasing a ton of fundamental catalysts. Really, this is anything from news, earnings, stuff like that. They went ahead and they said they're going to use their power, hydrogen fuel, to actually go ahead and power some of these cars. Some of these electric car manufacturers are now going to partner with Plug Power so they can have that hydrogen and they can put it in their car. Honestly, kind of a cool concept. Still a ton of long-term potential. This stock has a extremely amount traded. Here you guys can see it gets traded in the millions as well. Definitely a ton of long-term potential. Only downside with this one is it's been around the block. It's been around for a while. And looking at the overall chart, let's go ahead and go to the max available here so you guys can see how crazy this is. Let's go week. You guys can see the stock exploded up. So it has had history breaking over that $100 mark. But honestly, let's just see what happens. It definitely has some room to go before that happens. But overall, definitely could if it partners with the right companies, makes enough money, the stock could easily go up. Now, the last and final one here, we have Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS. Now, this one, especially right now with everything going on, people not being able to go ahead and go into work, they are using Workhorse software to actually monitor their workers and their employees. So that's why we had this huge buying pressure. The stock went from $2 all the way to $20.90 here. Sold off to $15.22. So looking at this stock now, it looks like it is finding some upward support. Definitely still with this one, a ton of long-term potential. Honestly, I could definitely see the stock, depending on how long we're overall in this not being able to go up, the stock could easily go up. I could almost guarantee they're going to do well in the earnings. Ton of long-term potential. But guys, all of these stocks carry risk, have a nice solid base. I cannot stress this enough. Have a nice solid base of ETFs or bonds before investing in these. make sure you guys understand that and go to town. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and overall stay safe out there, and have fun with your $30 investment into some of these top stocks. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.